Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over keys. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, this project keys I talked about in my Patreon back on November 19th. Y'all have to subscribe to my Patreon if y'all want all of the early crypto picks. I always post all of my information on YouTube for free, but if you want to get in super early, you gotta follow my Patreon. Now, keys was one of the picks we called, posted about it on November 19th. Right, if we look at the chart, you will see it's only 14 days old, and back on November 19th it was less than a penny. When I first bought in, I only put in $500, and I made a profit of as high as $6,000. Right, it went as high as $6,000 around November 30th. It dropped down and corrected, and it's sitting around $3,000 right now. Now, what keys is, right? Keys enables you to buy and sell real estate and luxury assets in both the metaverse and the physical world, gain access to exclusive investment opportunities and events, and become part of a powerful network within the keys ecosystem, right? This is a metaverse token, and when I read the white paper, one of the main things that keys want to do, right? We're gonna go over other things, but one of the main things they want to do is they want to create 3D rendered digital houses, right? They want to create 8,000 realistic 3D rendered digital houses. So this is something that I want to buy. You know, this is something that's very interesting to me, a mansion NFT, and I think that's going to be a wave in crypto where people are making houses NFTs, or even if it's like an open source code for a house that you can digitally print, make that an NFT. I think that's another wave in NFTs in the whole crypto space. So this is a project that I'm looking at, right? You can see they're getting audited by Certec. It's listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, listed on Nomics, right? You can find it on Desk Tools. You can even find it on crypto.com. It's not listed on crypto.com, but you can, track it on the crypto.com. So that's a step in the right direction, right? You can see more of their mission statement, that they're revolutionary, transparent, fair, and empowering, how they plan on rolling out their ecosystem. And with keys, they want to start powering real estate on the blockchain. Keys will transform the way real estate and luxury assets are exchanged, increasing the speed and transparency while reducing costs and friction. Get your keys now. I got a very strong feeling this coin could get to like $1 because it's only 1 billion coins, right? That's crazy. When we look at the tokenomics, it's only 1 billion keys out there, right? 3% of the token goes to the marketing and development, right? This token does not have a reflection feature, right? But something that is interesting to me is that the liquidity is locked for 4 years, right? They decided to lock the liquidity for 4 years. A lot of these projects, they only lock the liquidity for 2 months to a year, but Keys decided to lock the liquidity for 4 years. So this is definitely a long-term play, right? You can be an active investor on this play and buy and sell when it dips. Like right now is a good time to buy because it's on a dip, right? It went way higher than this. It was just at around 28 cents or 28 cents at the all-time high. Right now it's sitting at 16 cents, so it's kind of half off, but you can get in keys right now and get a good position, and the liquidity is going to be locked for 4 years, right? That's something that's very interesting, and they're doing quarterly burns of 5 million coins every quarter, right, over 5 years, right? So they plan on doing that over 5 years, and with the supply only being 1 billion coins, that will cause the price of keys to go up further and further. So I really like this project. I really like where it's going. They have staking and yield farming. It's available now, but I would wait on that. Y'all can get involved in the staking if y'all want to, but I would wait on that feature until it's more further developed, right? And you can see the roadmap, what they plan on doing. The team is completely doxed. White paper already out. They listed on CoinGecko, listed on CoinMarketCap. They did a stealth launch, right? Like I said, I got in on November 19th. We talk about all of this in the Patreon too. So if y'all want to get in on early plays, y'all have to subscribe to the Patreon. So you see, Keys is also releasing a virtual marketplace, right? It's a virtual marketplace that will have exclusive access and benefits for Keys holders. You'll be able to buy and sell luxury access using crypto. They're gonna have different partnerships announced, and it's a lot coming with this. So you already know how to buy this. You can buy this on Uniswap. All you have to do is buy Ethereum on your Coinbase wallet. Once you buy Ethereum on your Coinbase wallet, you would then go to app.uniswap.org. Once you go to app.uniswap.org, you'll be able to search Keys. You can either copy the contract address, right, from CoinGecko for Keys, or you can look it up directly on Uniswap. I believe it will pop straight up right now. So yeah, you can buy Keys on Uniswap. All you have to do is add Ethereum to Coinbase wallet. Remember, Coinbase and Coinbase wallet are two different apps. So you add Ethereum to Coinbase wallet. Then within Coinbase wallet, go to the browser app.uniswap.org, right? That's the website, app.uniswap.org. You go there. You would then convert your Ethereum for Keys, right? So once you convert your Ethereum for Keys, you will be able to see your purchase in your wallet. Now remember, you do have to pay gas fees and things like that, but it's all worth it in the grand scheme of things. So you can see the team right here for Keys, right? Fully doxed team. Everybody is showing a face, no avatars. So yeah, I'm waiting on the mega mansions. I like Keys. I like this project, so I wanted to put y'all up on this. Make sure y'all go grab y'all some Keys. I'm holding about 21,000 Keys. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.